currently underneath in the crawl space of a house of an address that I don't know, and it doesn't matter because it's Drew's dad. But what we found originally was going to replace a water heater and found it was leaking significantly. We've pulled up the MDF underlayment that was completely saturated like a sponge. I'm now down under the approximate area of where that was. You can see this change in color all over around here. In this area here, you can see where it is still moist, and then it drains down into what is pooled up standing water in the low part of this crawl space. And you can actually see the scaling of where it has been higher and has evaporated down over time. You can see that all up in here. This is like a flyby in a Grand Canyon kind of situation. Anyway, there was, I don't remember where I was earlier. Somewhere in here you could see water dripping from the insulation. Fortunately, I can't tell where that is at the moment. See a little bit of discoloration right up here on the bottom of this beam. Might be related. We see some drizzling here on this HVAC deck vent. Might be. Oh, there we go. Yep, this is all dark colored insulation underneath that. Yeah, unfortunately I can't see at the moment where the water drops were earlier. Could have been all right in there. Come on, focus. But subfloor looks solid, just wet. We've removed all of the underlayment. You can see all the way down here. This is behind what was the pre-existing molding, base molding. It was molded. The culprit behind this is this water heater that corroded over time and eventually burst and had a small leak out of it. This is the bag of particle board that we pulled up. This is essentially wet sawdust at this point, completely saturated. Good times.